Vivo officially announced its newest mobile phone for the Chinese market, namely the Vivo T1. When viewed from the price and specifications, Vivo T1 is a smartphone that is included in the middle-class or mid-range category. Well, the smartphone, which at the beginning of its launch was priced at around €300 for this global price, comes with fairly interesting specifications. On the screen, for example, the Vivo T1 is equipped with a 6.67-inch screen, a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels, with an IPS LCD screen type, 120Hz, HDR10, 650 nits. While in the memory sector, the smartphone that comes in the black color variant, Aurora, is equipped with 8/12 GB of RAM. With physical dimensions that are quite large, which weighs 193 grams. The Vivo T1 screen has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz and a screen-to-body ratio of 85%. At the top of the screen, there is a punch hole or a hole to load a 16MP selfie camera. On the back, there is a rectangular camera case that accommodates 3 cameras and 1 LED flash module. The 3 cameras include a 64MP PDAF main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. Vivo T1 is supported by a 5000 mAh battery and supports the 44-watt fast charging feature, which is claimed to be able to charge up to 70% in about 38 minutes. This phone runs Android 11 OS, which is coded with Vivo's typical Origin OS interface. Other features include 5G connectivity, dynamic RAM, dual SIM, nano SIM with dual standby, fingerprint side-mounted, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi 800 2.11, 3.5mm audio jack, and 4K 30 and 4K video recording. 60 FPS. In China, Vivo T1 comes in 2 color variants, namely black and Vivo T1 is equipped with a 6nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chip with 3 RAM and storage media options, namely 8GB 128GB, 8GB 256GB, and 12GB 256GB. In the midst of increasingly fierce market competition, the composition of prices and specifications has become increasingly important. This is why Vivo embeds quite a lot of features into the HP Vivo T1, with the composition of the processor, RAM, internal memory, camera, operating system, screen and battery that are tailored to the needs and market price competition. After being introduced in 2021, October 20, this smartphone was released globally or the status of coming soon. Exp. Release 2021, October. For the price, this cell phone is priced at around €300. These prices are prices for the global market. The price may not be much different from the Indonesian market unless there are features or completeness of the sales package that differ from one country to another. For information, the selling price of this smartphone may be different from the offline market or change according to the development of trends in the market. The price reference will be available when this HP is officially marketed in the respective countries of sale. Alright, what do you think about this Vivo T1? Please write in the comments column. And if you find this video useful and informative, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.